Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be talking about functions and libraries. When we are working with Arduino programming, we need to use some predefined functions. We need to use them. Like for digital input output, we'll require digital read. To make some digital output, we will use digital write. And whether your pins should be used as input or output, you can define them by using pin mode. So how to use these functions? You can come here at arduino.cc reference. It's the official page of Arduino. From this page, you can get the details of this function syntax and also the examples. Let me give you a demonstration of digital read. If you go to this link, here you can see their syntax. For digital read, you need to first write digital read, and within the brackets, you need to assign the pin. For example, here you can see digital read in pin. In pin is defined in the above code, that is 7. So whenever you are using digital read, it will give you a reading from the digital input pins, that is 7 in this case, and it will be stored in a variable. This is how the functions work. You need to find their syntaxes. You can use some demo example to understand how to implement that functions in your required code. So here we have digital input output related functions, analog input output related functions. We have mathematical functions. We have bit byte related, random numbers related, interrupts, advanced input output, then timer related, USB related, and many other functions that we can use for different activity in our program. So I'll be giving you this link for your own exploration, and in the upcoming videos, one by one, we'll cover most of these functions in our programs and in our projects that we'll be exploring in this course. Now let's talk about libraries. So libraries are nothing but a package where we have predefined functions included for a specific task. Like if you're using servo, you have servo libraries for Arduino. In this page, some official Arduino libraries are included in this web page. Like for robotics, we have servo stepper. For communication, we have SPI or software serial libraries. So these libraries, let me expand one. Let's say we want to work with servo. So when working with servo, to include that library in your code, you use this line of code, that is #include. Within the bracket, you include the library name, that is the servo.h. And within this servo.h, there are some predefined functions like attach, write, read, attached, detached. So these functions have been defined within the servo.h file and servo.cpp file. And when you include this function in your code, you have these functions at your exposure to use it in your codes. So that's how library works. In the upcoming video, we'll explain more details how to create libraries, how to use libraries. You can make your own libraries if you want. So we'll learn those things in the upcoming videos. I hope this is a brief introduction of what functions are and what libraries are. Basically, a library includes several functions, and functions, they have predefined activities already added in these functions in the software when we install them. So software know when we write digital data what to do. There are some predefined activities associated with these functions. So this is how we implement functions and libraries in our code. Don't worry if the idea is a little blurry for you now. In the upcoming videos, it will be more clearer. So thank you for now. See you in the next video.